Greetings, everyone. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame and I'm the host. Today's topic will be about the shadows of darkness. So, guys, have you ever felt something watching you when no one else was there? Have you ever sentenced a heaviest feeling in your home, a shadow that seems to follow you, whispering your fears back at you? Have you ever felt that way? This is not your imagination. This is the shadows of darkness, and this is a true awakening to protection and divine awareness. My name is Miss Flame, and today I'm going to take you a little deeper into a journey that began in silence and ended in spiritual victory. It started in a small home on the edge of town. A woman named Aliyah lived there. With the two children, she was a mother, a hard-working, loving, and full of faith mother, but something changed. It began with sleepless nights. The children would wake up crying, saying they saw the tail a man in the corner. Objects moved. From where she left them, the atmosphere felt thick, almost alive. At first, he thought it was stress, exhaustion from working too much. But the shadows grew darker and bolder. Dark dreams followed her. She'd wake up gasping, heart racing, feeling something cold pressing on her chest. No one believed her. They said you imagining things. But deep inside she knew something unseen had entered her home. One night it went too far. Her younger son screamed from his room, "Mom, he's here!" When Aliyah rushed in, she saw her child shaking, staring into the corner. The air was cold, the room smelled like burnt metal. That night, she cried out, not in fear, but in defiance. "God, if you real, I need you now." And in that cry, something shifted. She felt warmth, like invisible light touching her heart. The battle didn't end that night, but it began to make sense. Aliyah started researching. She reading and praying and learning about spiritual entities. She discovered that not all darkness is random. Some entities feed on fear, on emotion, pain, on broken energy that lives without homes and hearts. They attach themselves through wounds, through trauma, anger, generational pain. They whisper doubt and chaos, hoping to keep you blind to your own light. But she also learned something powerful. Awareness breaks the chain. You cannot fight what you refuse to acknowledge. You must see before you can be free. And she began cleansing her space. not through fear, but through faith and vibration. She played worship music, burned incense, spoke blessings over children, and she forgave people who have hurt her in the past. Because forgiveness is spiritual armor. And slowly the shadows weaken. Through her awakening, Aliyah realized something scared. The shadows didn't come to destroy her. They come to reveal her strength. Every dark moment become a lesson. Even attack pushed her closer to her greater self. It wasn't punishment, it was purification. The purpose of the shadows is not to make you afraid. It's to remind you that light is real and must be chosen daily. Without darkness, we forgot how precious light truly is. Without battle, we forgot the power of prayer. The shadows taught her discernment, to listen to energy, not just words, to protect her peace before she loses it. If you've ever felt darkness in your home, this part is for you. Protection begins in the heart. Your spiritual sets your spirit sets the tone of your space. Now even evil can dwell where love, gratitude, and light are constantly nurtured. So here are 5 ways that Aliyah learned to protect her family. And that is through spiritual awareness. Don't ignore the unseen. Pay attention to your emotions. Fear and fatigue are often gateways. Speak light. Use your words. Speak blessings aloud. Your voice carries frequency. Clean energy. Keep your home uncluttered. Energy stagnated where chaos lives. Pray or meditate daily. Even 5 minutes of gratitude shifts the atmosphere. Protect your children. Teach them they are powerful, not victims. Fear gives permission. Faith removes it. The saints feed on fear, but they flee from purpose. Months have passed by. Her home grew brighter, the air lighter. The children slept peacefully again. Aliyah looked back and realized the same darkness that once haunted her had pushed her into her divine awakening. She had not just survived, she had transcended. And now she helps others because once she has seen the unseen, you cannot go back to sleep. The shadows of darkness are real, but so is the light within you. Don't fear the light and don't fear the unseen. Understand it. Don't run from darkness. Illuminate it. Every battle, every tear, every sleepless night carries a message. You are chosen for awareness. You are chosen for strength. This is more than a story. It's a reminder to protect your energy, your faith, and your family. Because once you know who you are in this light, The shadows can no longer touch you. This is a touched story. But if the story touched your spirit, if you have ever felt the unseen and wanted to understand it, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Together we will uncover the mysteries beyond the veil. We will face the darkness not in fear but in truth. So click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and join me, Miss Flame Hot Handle, as we continue the journey beyond the shadows. So, my friend, for now, I'm out and Lion Paw.